Is life insurance from your work enough to cover you? Hey, this is Ray Alkalai, insurance tips for smart people. Today I thought I'd bring up the idea of life insurance that you get from your group coverage at work. Is it enough? The thought is that usually you get some kind of coverage, 50,000 or your salary or double your salary or three times your salary, and everybody thinks it's really cheap. Well, it's really cheap because you're looking at a monthly amount that's coming out of your paycheck that's 5, 10, 15, $20. What you don't realize is that it's not transferable. It can't come with you. And on top of that, usually you can get some better coverage for just as little, if not less, for more coverage. So you can buy the same kind of coverage, meaning a term policy for that same dollar amount, and you get more coverage, and it doesn't have to be transferable because it's your policy. If you work for somebody and have coverage through the group policy, when you leave, you usually cannot take it with you. It's usually very little, and then you can't take it with you, and it increases in price pretty much every year based on your age, compared to buying a 20-year or a 30-year term that's locked in for the 20 or 30 years. So if you do have one, you should consider how much you have, and then consider if that's enough to cover all your expenses or your beneficiaries' expenses relative to what you're trying to do. So remember, life insurance is a want product, not a need product. And then how much do you need or you think you want in order to cover what you want to happen. So life insurance through work may not be enough. This is Ray Alkalai, insurance tips for smart people. If you have any questions about that or any other issue on life insurance, give me a shout and we can talk about it. Insurance tips for smart people.